So we're going to make some healthy but also very nice cookies today. They're going to be kind of oat cookies with some nice chocolate and raisins. We've got all the ingredients ready over here.
No.
We will put a recipe underneath in the descriptions later. So let's make a start. So as you can see, Adriaan is already very enthusiastic to start. So let's put the sugar with the butter.
Yeah, you help Daddy. Yeah, wow.
Well done.
So good job, yeah?
Then we're going to mix that first.
Yeah,
So we're going to get the mixer. Adriaan, shall we first mix it?
Oh.
That one. You're going to help Mummy?
Mommy mix. Come on. Wow. Oh, good job, yeah?
Oh, let's set it for a second. So it needs to become a really nice yellow mess with all the sugar between it. So then we're going to put the egg with it. You're going to help Mummy?
Egg.
Egg.
One egg, yeah.
So one egg is going to go in there. We're going to mix it again. There we go. So when that is all done, we're going to put the flour with it.
No.
Going to put it in there.
Very good.
Well done. And we're going to mix it again. Ready? Now, so when that's all done, we have kind of a cookie dough. Then we're going to get those off. I'm going to put those away. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of baking powder in there. And then we need to crunch the cornflakes a little bit. I'm going to mix. This will mix. We're going to put the chocolate with it and the raisins.
Raise.
So, and the chocolate.
Adriaan?
Put the chocolate in there. Chocolate.
Wow, so much chocolate, yeah?
And we're going to put the oast in there.
Oast.
Oast. Well done. We need to mix it all up. Then we're going to put about half of the cornflakes in there, just how it is. And the other half we're going to crunch. So when we have another spoon, we're going to make kind of balls from it. With the balls, we're going to get them in there.
Oh.
And then we're going to put them on the baking tray.
Oh.
We're going to squeeze some of it.
Look, yummy, yummy, yeah?
Adriaan wants to help too, making nice balls. He gets another spoon. Another spoon. Then we can do it together. What do you think of that? So when you're all ready, kind of looks like this. Then they're gonna get in the oven for about 15 minutes. As you can see, they're looking very, very nice. They have been in the oven for about 15 till 20 minutes. We are going to go to enjoy them now. You also can follow us on Facebook on Adriaan's Life, and we're going to see you later again. Bye-bye.
Thank you.